you can use it as a coil, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the same way you narrow chord coil, the same way you can do connect between two coils, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise, one gravitational, one magnetical. And then let's say you put these, if I write here, you put these on the side of a cup. So what happens is that so now what you do, you have the clockwise on this side, anti-clockwise on that side, or you can put two clockwise facing each other. You have two gravitational fields and two magnetical fields facing each other. Gravitational field takes out what is in the water that you don't need, and magnetical adds to what you need. The tightness of the spiral, the closeness of the spiral, the gap between the spirals, all counts. This way, you don't touch the body. This cup, as you see, if you go back in the teaching of a few weeks ago, in the when I showed you the cups which I make, I opened up and showed you the magnets. Now, this is not a magnet anymore. This is a universal magnet. It's what your cup will do. The water you drink is dictated by the rings. You can put the wire sticks on the side. If you open my reactors some 4 or 5 years ago, you see rectangular magnets when I want to connect interactions. When you make a cup, this is your cup, and you want to use it for cancer or whatever, you don't look. Remember, your limitation is in your mind. You put let's say we make the green, red, magnetical, gravitational, and we put the green, magnetical. But don't forget, if you looked at the cups, if I showed you, remember, go back and look at the health teaching. I put magnetical, gravitational, usually at the bottom. This way, this is exactly the same as the feedback we saw in the pen. We do not allow fields to be released, and with putting it here, we feed it back. Because the water now behaves as a wire, these magnets as a coils of nanomaterial behave as a lymph and the blood. So when you insert a nanowire inside, for example, with the coil outside, nanowire coated the way you have seen it, now you go for a structural repair. You got to understand some important points. The tightness of the winding, the number of windings, all this counts.